Hello, greetings from Boonery. Today's topic is based on history of World War II. What exactly happened during the Second World War? Let's find out. You all might remember watching the Boonery video about the First World War. When did the First World War end? It ended in 1918. After that war, Germany was not happy. Why? Because of the rules that they had to follow when they had signed an armistice. What rules? Germany had to pay for the damage caused during the First World War. They lost some of their land in Germany, all of which they had invaded. And they also had to reduce their army size considerably. With all this happening, Germany was in aggression. Then there was a person named Adolf Hitler. Who was Hitler? He was a soldier in the First World War and a staunch patriot. He was only concerned about his own country and was least bothered about the other nations. Hitler then became the leader of Germany. His aim was to eliminate all the communities of the Jews from the entire globe and to unite all the German-speaking people. He focused only on the betterment of the German-speaking population and didn't care about the others. With that in mind, he formed a political party of his own named Nazi Party. He, along with his party, began secretly forming ties with other countries. He formed ties with Italy, who was similarly intentioned to invading new territories, and also the country Japan, who, like Germany, was trying to expand and bring other territories under their control. These three together were called the Axis powers. So, how and when did the Second World War actually begin? Take a look. Italy and Germany began invading many places throughout different parts of Europe, while Japan was furthering its expansion in China and other territories. Hitler knew that he had support from Japan and Italy. With this in view, Hitler invaded Poland. When? On September 1st, 1939. This caused turmoil among Great Britain and France, and 2 days later, they declared war on Germany, beginning the Second World War. So the entire world was divided into two groups, the Axis powers of Germany, Italy, Japan, and on the opponent side were Great Britain, France, United States, China, and the Soviet Union, which is signed like this. These were the major powers acting in opposition. This is how the war began. The United States initially did not enter the war. So then, what prompted them to get involved in the war? Take a look. On December 7, 1941, the Pearl Harbor in the Hawaii Islands was a major US base. Japan secretly planned a bomb attack with 360 Japanese aircrafts attacking the US naval base, leading to casualties of more than 2,300 troops. This took the Americans completely by surprise, and that's when USA joined the war too. The Axis powers were outnumbered by their rivals. With so many powers against Germany, it was getting difficult for them to fight back. The Russians were only a day or so from overtaking. Hence, Hitler, knowing this fact, chose suicide by eating a cyanide capsule, and then he shot himself with a pistol. That brought an end to the fights in Europe. But what about the Japanese who did not relent? The US in retaliation dropped 2 devastating atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan in August 1945. These 2 nuclear bombings led to a severe disaster, resulting in the loss of many lives. The Japanese had no option but to surrender. Finally, after 6 long years, the war ended on September 2, 1945, when US accepted their surrender. It is estimated that around 60 million people died in this war, of which nearly 6 million were Jews. Such a deadly war that was. What do we learn from this? Let's remember, we are not here to make war, but to make peace.